Okay, welcome back. We're just going to take a look at how to set up our breadboard here. So you can actually pull the breadboard out of your Sensat or whatever you're using. Now, this is a pretty regular setup that you should be used to by now. You can see this is our LED, and our LED, Mike's just going to pull it out there. Our LED is hooked into the long leg, is hooked into the anode, which is the yellow wire, and the short leg is hooked into a resistor, that blue resistor you see right there, and into the orange wire. So we just plug those in, and if we follow those two jumper wires along, you can see that they're hooked into the yellow wire, which is the positive end, is hooked into the Sensat GPIO right there. And if I'm going to go, I'm just going to glance over to this pin out right here, and if we look down, you can see that pin is 1, 2, 3 pins up. So we're using GPIO 16 right there, and above that is the ground. So I'm just going to go back to the Sensat. So you're going to make sure that you're plugged into GPIO 16 and the ground. Just above that, you'll see there's another 2 jumper wires plugged in. And if I'm just going to jump back to here, that is using GPIO 12 and the ground. And so if I follow those wires back into my breadboard, you can see it's the green LED right here, and that is hooked up in exactly the same way that the other LED is hooked up, with the long leg of the LED running into the positive, which is running into our GPIO, and the short leg, of course, is running into the resistor and the ground. Hopefully you can figure that out, and you can watch this video a couple times. You're also going to want to be looking at this reference chart while you're doing that.